Think you know animals? Think again. Did you know a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? How fancy is that? Here's a wild one. Octopuses have 3 hearts. That's a whole lot of love under the sea. Hold on to your seats. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. Guess they don't need to. And get this, a snail can sleep for 3 years. Talk about hitting snooze. Oh, and did I mention cows have best friends? Yep, total BFFs. Last one for you. A shrimp's heart is in its head. Literally, wearing their heart on their sleeve or shell. The animal kingdom is crazy cool, right? Stay curious, folks. See you next time.